It is raining like cats and dogs out here. Sorry, I have to scratch my eyebrow. But anyways, what is up? It's Dr. Jazzman 1. And like I said, it's been raining like cats and dogs. And it's supposed to be like this all next week. But actually all week. Or all this week, I don't know. Let me show you. All that rain. I'll walk carefully so I won't slip and fall. See that? Hopefully I don't slip and fall. Try to walk carefully. Anyways, I just had to take Buster out real quick. Yep. See when I do my umbrella. You can see the wind picking up. And everything else. Okay, I'm gonna kind of like head back inside. It's about to get worse than this. Worse than that. But anyways, guys. It was just a little update. I'm doing okay. Anyways, y'all just keep it rocking. I'll see y'all later. Peace.